really cool Nerf guns that we both loved growing up. What about this race car? Do they need some Nerf help? Sean Brady from EA, all about Madden NFL 18.
Which one do I want?
352.
Which one?
Yeah.
In 29 years, we wanted to, as we look around the industry and other games, some of the top-selling games.
I hardly believe it myself. Pokémon Mega Construx. For those unaware, Mega Construx are building block toys. Kind of like Lego, except they're a subsidiary of Mattel and just don't have the same PR that Lego does. But Mega has been upping their game recently, partnering with Nickelodeon and creating a pretty great line of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle building sets. And now to add Pokemon to that list? Holy kittens. Anyway, as you saw, there's a number of different sets available, all ranging up to $30, which is pretty great when you consider how highly priced most Lego sets are. Now, in addition to the Charizard, I also got Abra and Magikarp, a couple of favorites of mine. Now, I really like these mini sets because they come on the cool little Pokeball that you can use to display the final completed project on. And now, let's get building. There you have them. Our sweet little Pokemon Construx. They have some cool posability for a bit of play value. Otherwise, they're just nice display pieces, but definitely ones that will go well with the rest of my building block sets. Overall, I hope that this line does well. I'd love to see more of these, especially from later generations of the games. Imagine what they can do with a majestic Ho-Oh, or something as badass as a Tyranitar. Oh, and definitely Lucario. I would kill to get a Lucario building block set. But not only that, I wouldn't mind seeing more from Generation 1. Just think about how they could handle the legendary birds, Articuno, Zapdos, and Moltres. And even Mewtwo. Who wouldn't want to see Mewtwo as a building block? But even concerning the little guys, sure, Magikarp and Abra and even Eevee are cool, but what about Haunter? Imagine a little tiny Haunter on one of these thin pieces to make him levitate off the Pokeball. But I guess only time will tell. Anyway, that's it for the Pokemon Mega Construx building video. Thanks for joining me, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to the channel because I'm sure to be doing more videos like this in the future. You can also follow me on social media, Twitter and Instagram especially, @IdiotAtPlay, where I post a bunch of idiotic things which you may find enjoyable. So thanks again for joining me. We'll see you next time, and catch you soon. Magikarp and Abra, holy kittens.